Hello on my channel. Today a recipe for chicken morsels. It's a delicious idea for a simple dinner or snack, tasting good both hot and cold. A detailed list of ingredients can be found in the description of the video. I invite you to try the recipe. We need 2 chicken fillets. For me it's about 600 grams. Season the fillets with salt, pepper, sweet paprika and granulated garlic. Of course, cut the chicken fillet into smaller pieces. Mix, then leave for at least an hour in the fridge. Meanwhile, we will prepare a thick pancake batter. We need a cup of flour, a whole egg, half a glass of milk, a pinch of salt, and about 1/3 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix everything together. I am using a whisk. You can also use a mixer. This should be the consistency of the batter. Then pour it into the chicken fillet. Mix thoroughly so that the meat is coated in our dough on each side. Fry our morsels in hot oil until golden brown on each side for a few minutes. Of course, serve it with your favorite toppings, your favorite sauces, hot, cold, as a snack, as a dinner dish, whatever you prefer. Of course, a detailed list of ingredients was left in the description under the video. I invite you to watch my next videos. Thank you. Best regards.